Subaru. Subaru's EJ25 and EJ257 turbocharged 2.5-liter horizontally opposed boxer engine used in WRX and WRX STI models from 2004 to the present suffers well-documented head gasket failures where the gasket material fails, allowing coolant to leak and mix with oil, often causing engine overheating and severe internal damage if not addressed promptly. This issue was widespread enough that class action litigation was filed, alleging premature engine failures and bearing defects in EJ255 and EJ257 engines. Early EJ257 variants also exhibited oil starvation and piston ringland cracking under high stress, leading to bearing wear or catastrophic failure. Overheating and gasket failure remain the most frequently cited problems, requiring replacement with multi-layer steel gaskets to improve durability. Hey, before we move on, if you found this deep dive into every car brand's most problematic engine helpful, well, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also make sure you drop a comment below to let us know what topic we should cover next. BMW. The BMW N54 twin-turbo inline-six, used in the 335i from 2007 to 2010, is most problematic for its high-pressure fuel pump failures where the pump cannot maintain required fuel pressure, causing rough idle, loss of power, and hard starting, leading BMW to extend HPFP warranty coverage due to widespread issues. Fuel injectors in this engine are also prone to leaking or clogging from carbon deposits, resulting in misfires and reduced fuel economy. The twin Borg-Warner turbocharger's wastegate actuators frequently develop a metallic rattle from wear, indicating poor boost control and potential turbo failure. Intake valve carbon buildup from direct injection restricts airflow and lowers performance. Additionally, this engine suffers from oil leaks around gaskets and seals, contributing to maintenance headaches for owners. Hyundai's Theta 2 gasoline direct injection 2.4-liter and 2.0-liter turbo engines used in 2011 to 2019 Sonata, Santa Fe Sport, Tucson, and other models suffer premature connecting rod bearing wear caused by metallic debris restricting oil flow to bearings from manufacturing flaws, leading to knocking, loss of oil pressure, and eventual bearing failure. Premature bearing wear has resulted in engine stalling, sudden failure, and reported non-collision engine compartment fires due to oil leaks contacting hot surfaces. Hyundai initiated multiple recalls and extended warranties for affected vehicles, and class action lawsuits allege defects in millions of units, with recalls and settlements covering related failures and fire hazards. Kia's most problematic engine is the Theta 2 family of 2.4-liter gasoline engines used in the Kia Optima, Sorento, and Sportage, among other vehicles, which suffered widespread design and manufacturing defects involving restricted oil flow to connecting rod bearings and contaminants in the engine oil that caused engine knock, loss of power, stalling, and ultimately catastrophic engine failure in many vehicles. These 2.4-liter Theta 2 engines were central to class action lawsuits and recall settlements between Kia Hyundai and owners, with millions of affected vehicles provided extended warranties, inspections, and repairs due to these persistent failures. The alleged defect led to bearing failure, engine seizure, and potential fire risk, prompting legal action and costly remediation. Ford. The Ford 6.4-liter Power Stroke diesel used in 2008 to 2010 Ford Super Duty trucks suffered documented exhaust gas recirculation cooler clogging and failure, where excessive soot buildup restricted coolant flow and contributed to overheating and premature component wear, which compromised engine longevity. The engine's diesel particulate filter regeneration strategy frequently caused fuel to wash past piston rings into the crankcase, diluting the engine oil and reducing lubrication effectiveness, accelerating wear on bearings and valve train parts. Factory pistons were prone to cracking in the fuel bowl area, leading to loss of compression and eventual catastrophic failures requiring a rebuild. Additionally, this engine exhibited radiator leaks due to plastic and tanks cracking, which could cause coolant loss and overheating and poor fuel economy tied to frequent DPF regens. Chevrolet. Chevrolet and GMC's most problematic engine is the 6.2-liter L87 V8 found in 2019 to 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, GMC Sierra 1500, Chevrolet Tahoe, Chevrolet Suburban, GMC Yukon, GMC Yukon XL, Cadillac Escalade, and the Cadillac Escalade ESV full-size trucks and SUVs, which has been linked to widespread connecting rod bearing failures that can cause catastrophic engine damage, including engine seizure or connecting rods breaching the engine block. These failures occur without prior warning, such as noises or dashboard alerts, posing a sudden loss of propulsion risk that could increase crash likelihood. The U.S. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration opened a large-scale investigation into this issue after receiving hundreds of complaints and field reports, leading to a safety recall for certain 2021 to 2024 production windows to address defective crankshaft and bearing components. Honda/Acura. Honda and Acura's most problematic engine is the 3.5-liter J35 V6 used in 2016 to 2020 Honda Pilot, 2018 to 2020 Honda Odyssey, 2017 to 2019 Honda Ridgeline, and 2018 to 2020 Acura TLX or 2016 to 2020 Acura MDX, where connecting rod bearing defects have been documented to cause premature bearing wear and failure that can lead to complete engine failure, according to National Highway Traffic Safety Administration investigation documents. The defect involved improper crankshaft pin grinding during manufacturing, producing out-of-spec crank journals that accelerate bearing seizure. Honda issued a recall of about 248,999 vehicles for this issue in November 2023, with remedies including engine replacement if needed. A subsequent broader NHTSA probe covers approximately 1.4 million vehicles due to ongoing reports of connecting rod-bearing failures. Toyota's 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, designated V35A FTS, and used in the 2022 to 2023 Toyota Tundra pickup and 2022 to 2023 Lexus LX SUV, suffered widespread internal failures due to machining debris left in the engine assembly during manufacturing, which contaminated the crankcase and could adhere to the crankshaft's main bearings, causing bearing failure and engine damage. The bearing failure could lead to engine knocking, rough running, loss of motive power, stalls, failure to start, and potential sudden engine shutdown at speed, raising crash risk. Toyota initiated a safety recall affecting approximately 102,000 vehicles with this engine, offering free engine replacement at dealers to address the defect. This issue stems from a manufacturing defect, not a design choice, and has been documented in official recall filings. Audi. The Audi 3.0-liter supercharged V6 used in 2010 A6, A7, Q7, S4, S5, SQ5, and related models suffers chronic intake valve carbon buildup due to direct fuel injection not washing the intake surfaces, causing restricted airflow and misfires if not regularly cleaned via walnut blasting or decarbonization around 60,000 to 100,000 miles. This carbon accumulation can lead to valve and combustion issues, in extreme cases, valve damage and total engine failure before 60,000 miles, when compounded by excessive oil consumption from PCV valve failure or worn piston rings. The engine also exhibits thermostat, water pump, and timing chain guide wear that can accelerate overheating and mechanical failure, making this supercharged V6 one of Audi's most problematic engines without diligent maintenance. Mercedes-Benz. The Mercedes-Benz M272 V6, introduced in 2004, and the M273 V8, introduced in 2005, are aluminum block gas engines linked by design lineage and sharing issues with timing system components such as balance shaft, sprockets, or idler gears. Premature wear of these sprockets, especially in early production 2004 to 2008 M272 units, causes camshaft, crankshaft timing mismatch, rough running, and fault codes, and typically requires repairs costing several thousand US. Both engines use timing chains for valve synchronization, so worn gears or sprockets introduce slack that may lead to timing correlation errors and misfires. The root cause of failure in some 2005 to 2007 examples is deficient hardening of the gear metal, allowing excessive wear over time, which led to notable litigation and broader owner reports. Nissan's VC Turbo 2.0-liter variable compression turbocharged engine used in the 2019 to 2025 Nissan Altima and the 2021 to 2025 Nissan Rogue suffers from variable compression mechanism bearing failures, specifically in the main, A-link, C-link, and L-link bearings, which can progress to engine damage or complete failure under normal driving conditions. Federal regulators, including the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, investigated reports of bearing failures in engine stalls and prompted a recall affecting around 443,899 vehicles equipped with this engine design. Owners have reported rough running, loss of power, malfunctions, stalling, and unexpected shutdowns linked to the defective variable compression mechanism, leading to class action lawsuits and expanded warranty coverage. Tesla's electric drive units and battery packs in early model S and X vehicles have been widely reported with specific component faults, including premature drive unit bearing failures causing grinding or milling noise under acceleration due to worn internal bearings and internal seal coolant leaks that can degrade motor electronics, often leading to full drive unit replacements under warranty. Early high-voltage battery packs exhibited elevated failure rates requiring complete pack replacements because of internal defects, cell degradation, and manufacturing variability, sometimes costing owners well over $15,000 out of warranty. Later years saw improvements, but early packs and drive units remain the most problematic components. From head gasket nightmares to catastrophic failures, every car brand has its engine flaws. Which problematic engine shocked you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Auto Insights.